The process of vehicle registration has always been an arduous and time-consuming task. There are various stakeholders involved from buying of a vehicle till the final registration is done. In the current scenario, when you buy a vehicle from a dealer, you need to take it to the registration authority for getting the permanent registration number. It takes approximately 3 to 4 days for this request to get processed. Then you have to approach an insurance company for getting the required insurance for your vehicle. Further, you have to approach the concerned authorities for obtaining NOC and clearance for your vehicle. The whole process is tedious and takes not less than 7 days. Moreover, the information of a customer lies on several central databases of these stakeholders involved, which can even lead to frauds and misuse of information in some cases. The whole process of vehicle registration can be simplified if all the information about vehicle and customer is stored on the blockchain and all the stakeholders have access to this information. Let's have a look at the various stakeholders involved and how can blockchain make this complete process a seamless experience for the customer. The manufacturer is the first stakeholder in the blockchain network. He will be responsible for adding all the information of a manufactured vehicle, like manufacturing date, model number, engine, etc. to the blockchain. He can then execute the sale of a vehicle to a dealer through a smart contract. Once the pre-agreed conditions between the dealer and the manufacturer are fulfilled, smart contract gets executed, which will transfer the ownership of the vehicle to the dealer. The dealer then through smart contract executes the sale of the vehicle to the customer. And after the customer gets the ownership of the vehicle, the smart contract is again executed, which will send requests to the concerned authorities for insurance and registration of the vehicle. The insurance agency and the concerned regional transport authority can validate the information about vehicle and customer through blockchain. After the verification is done, they can provide the insurance and the registration certificate respectively for the vehicle. Under this technology, there will be no need to take your vehicle to RTA for registration. The dealer can issue you the vehicle registration certificate once the RTA validates the information on the blockchain. Further, the customer can request the concerned authorities for NOC and clearance through blockchain. The authorities will validate the information on blockchain, and if all the conditions are fulfilled, NOC and clearance will be issued to the customer, thus saving a lot of time and hassle for the customer. And who wouldn't love such a seamless experience?